My name is Aaron Kefe Emmanuel. I'm the CEO, founder of Poshbaby. I was pregnant in 2014. I had a very hectic job, so I didn't get a chance to shop for my baby before she came, and I resorted to online shopping, which was very easy for me in the US. And so because I saw how easy and seamless it was, I felt this would be fantastic for me to bring home to my people. Starting out, I thought just having a website would give me the visibility I required. Unfortunately, it was really difficult to get people. The training was really intense and it was eye-opening. A lot different from what the Instagram coaches taught us. They didn't tell us the reason why we needed to drive this ad. They didn't tell us, the impact that something as little as email marketing would cost nothing would do to your business.
The training came at the nick of time. The sales has gone up and the things learned at the training has really helped.
As soon as the training was over, I also decided on my own to do some sponsored adverts for our line of gifts baskets. This particular one had like 1,200 clicks, and we had orders for about 10 gift baskets that I had to do over the weekend. It was amazing to see that I could actually target these customers in an automated way at the back end, and they came calling. It's giving me a lot more confidence to venture into some other areas that I had thought of for the business.